Okay ba yan? Okay ba yan?
So we are in the bus now. Medyo tahimik dito, so I just want to whisper, and I don't want to disturb the other tourists inside the bus. But we are heading off to Nami Island. Pero I just want to show you this map. Not entirely, but our tourist tour guide gave it to us, so we can use it. Ito yung sa Petit, France, and yung Pinocchio and the Pincy. Yan, it was a nice experience kasi it actually, you know, para sa akin, it brings you to Europe, and it would really motivate you more to go to Europe if you haven't been there yet. So it's a nice place, and nag-enjoy din ako in a way. So we'll go and have some lunch first before we go to Nami Island. So ngayon, lunch break muna kami. Ito yung sinasabi nila na parang stir-fried chicken, or shall we say dak galbi. Ngayon, we selected the soy sauce variation and not the original one because we don't want too spicy right now. And then we added a bit of cheese to top it all off, and then one serving of rice. We're gonna mix that together with the food once the meat is done. So after this, pupunta na kami sa Nami Island. Tingnan muna natin kung masarap tong pagkain na to. Dami daming tao.
Minsan more energy and more force.
For this, lalagyan na natin yung rice.
Maybe you want seaweed.
Okay. Ting. After nyan, lalagay na natin yung yung cheese. Ayan. Lalagay na natin yung cheese, ha? Okay.
Going to the zip line.
Okay, so natapos na kami dito sa lunch namin. Binigay na yung ticket namin papunta doon sa Nami Island. Unfortunately, hindi daw open yung zip line dahil nga hindi maganda yung weather. So lahat kami sasakay ng ferry papunta ng Nami Island. Last few pieces of chicken kasi ayaw namin masayang. And after this, babayad na lang kami. And we are instructed to go on the other side sa May Tower. Tapos yun na yung meeting place. So let's go. Punta na tayo. Papunta Nami Island. Shiyu! Hi! Ito, nakakatawa to. Nakakatawa to. Ngayon lang ulit ako nakakita niya, no? Hyundai Galloper 2. Ha? Yan yung kamukha ng Pajero, di ba? And it looks like the Mitsubishi Pajero, which was inspired. I don't know if it's rebadged or something, but it's made by Hyundai, and it looks like Pajero. So ngayon, tapos na kaming kumain. Pupunta kami doon sa tower na yun kasi doon yung in-instruct sa amin na meeting place. Ito. Yan. Yan tower na yan. Yan. Doon kami pupunta para makapunta sa Nami Island. We are not sure kung makakasakay kami ng kung ano man, but I think yung zip line is not available because of the bad weather. So we are going to take the ferry ride going to Nami Island. Daming kainan, no? Yan yung mga binabagsakan ng mga tourist pagka before pumasok ng Nami Island. So if you are on this trip, most probably dito kayo dadalhin ng mga tourist guide nyo para kumain ng lunch. Yan, puro Korean dahil hindi naman ako marunong magsalita ng Korean or magbasa ng Korean, so hindi ko sila maintindihan. But isa lang ang maintindihan ko, pag nakakita ka nito, Starbucks na yan. Tara, Starbucks tayo. So andito na tayo sa Riverline papunta ng Nami Island. We are going to ride the ferry. The ferry is right over there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but we will walk close to it. There. So the ferry operates every 20 minutes, sabi ni Tino. So you can go back and forth using the ferry every 20 minutes. So we were given like 4 hours and 20 minutes to explore the whole island. But I'm pretty sure we'll just be spending like a couple of hours here before we get back. It's raining and we don't have nothing else to do. So I think we will just walk around the island the farthest that we can go, and then we go back and then probably spend a few hours inside a coffee shop or something that we will be comfortable with after we explore Nami. But we will take you with us so that you can get to see the island itself. Right now, nandito tayo ngayon sa ferry. Medyo umuulan. Pero, okay na rin kasi hindi rin naman tayo makakapunta sa Nami Island if we're not gonna take the ferry. It's just a short, probably 5 or 10 minutes na ferry ride going to the island itself. So, it's a good experience kasi makikita nyo yung backdrop o yung mountains. Tapos ang baba ng mga ulap. Tapos meron ding mga mga water activities. So if you can see them, they have a speedboat or parang banana boat nga yata yun. I'm not quite sure. Pero dito yon sa Nami Water Park. So probably you can rent a speedboat or maybe do the things that they do over there. I remember yung tourist guide namin, si Tino, told us that it is like around 50,000 won to ride the speedboat. And if you have budget for that, at siguro on a good day, magandang itry din yon, di ba? So, ayan na, dumaong na. Punta na tayo dun. Eto, nandito na nga tayo sa Nami Island. Meron ditong part na may ostrich. Lapitan natin yung ostrich tapos mag-say hi tayo. Kahit na umuulan. By the way, ang nangyari pala, we were forced to buy umbrellas because you cannot enjoy walking around while getting wet, right? So you have to buy umbrellas for you to walk and explore the place. So ito yung isang part nila na may ostrich. Nakikita nyo na ba? Ayan o. Nagpapaulan sila dito dahil siguro matagal na silang hindi naliligo, di ba? Oh, ayan sila. Ayan. Ayan o. Kung malaking fried chicken yan. Ayan. Di ba? Medyo hawig nga kami. Medyo ano lang, may mas buhok lang ako sa ulo, pero sila ano medyo semi-kalbo. Ayan. They're not moving because probably they just wanna lounge under the rain. Pero ito na yun, ito na yung Nami Island. And Nami Island is also famous for K-dramas, 'di ba? Yung K-dramas. I don't watch K-dramas, pero I know some of you and most of you watch K-dramas, and it is one of the sets or probably a filming location sa mga famous K-dramas na meron or sikat na mga K-dramas that you have watched before. Okay, ito pa yung isang gusto kong makita. Hindi naman siya attraction, pero it's here on the fields, and this is something that is very interesting to see. Ngayon pa lang din naman ako technically, hindi, I've been seeing these types of stuff siguro nung medyo when I was a little bit younger, but eto yon, merong tank. Ayan, meron pang squirrel doon sa dulo. So ito yung tank. I don't know kung anong year tong tank na to, pero as far as I know, this looks like a 1970s model ng tank. Ayan Shield for Peace, sabi. The land of imagination, Nami Island, where great importance is placed on preserving native ecology and environment, is also home to a memorial honoring local young men who fought and died during the Korean War. So this is 1950 to 1953 Korean War. So mas matanda pa yung guess ko. In 2010, writers and illustrators from 22 countries were invited to create a picture book entitled Peace Story. Ouch! So eto, a war memorial from the Korean War. Siguro nung 1950s, when the war broke out, they shipped this from the mainland over there, yung sinakyan natin, di ba? Going here to serve as reinforcement, di ba? So this is very interesting, makakita tayo ng ganito up close. Ito parang ano na nga to parang semento na nga to Siguro hindi na siya yung totoong tank from before, but maybe the suspension, the wheels, and probably the top arches of it are really real, made out of metal. But that, I don't know, hindi ako marunong sa military, pero semento siya It's made out of cement. Oh? Or is it really made out of cement? I don't know. But still, it's nice to see na merong ganito dito sa Nami Island. Oh, hindi, sige, hinayaan muna. Oh, ayan. So this is the last stretch ng exploration natin dito sa Nami Island. Kasi unang-una,
Na-stretch na energy.
umuulan. And you really can't do anything about it. In our case, pinilit lang talaga namin na ikutin siya para makapag-video rin. And then of course, makapag-take ng pictures. So this is something that we document because mas maganda na ma-share din sa inyo, right? It's also good to share it with you guys so that the next time you plan to go on a trip or travel here in South Korea, this is one of the things that you can see. It might help you a lot on how to travel and what you can expect when you go here. So this is the last stretch. We're going to check out some lights over there and see what we can find out on that place.
Dito ba?
Oo, lakarin na lang natin dyan. So, ngayon ko lang na-realize na na ito palang Nami Island is named after a famous general nung 14th century. His name is General Nami. And he is one of the greatest generals who ever lived dito sa South Korea. Nahandito yung tomb niya at dito rin siya nakalibing. Ngayon, I'm not quite sure if we are allowed to get inside the tomb, but yun yung nakita ko sa isa sa mga marks na nadaanan namin dito. And that's a pretty informative stuff. Kasi alam ko, kakala ko ang Nami Island is just Nami Island. Hindi ko alam, it is really named after a famous general. Something that I learned today. So, nakasakay na tayo sa ferry pabalik. Helpful information din pala, yung schedule ng ferry service dito is earliest is 8 a.m. yung start ng ferry service. Tapos yung interval nila is every 20 minutes. Yun. So every 20 minutes yung interval. So anytime, basta every 20 minutes, punta lang kayo dun sa drop-off point. Tsaka ride-in point, makakasakay kagad kayo. So no problem when it comes to ferry service. Tawiran lang siya. Ayan, so dito na nagtatapos yung Nami Island exploration natin for this video. Nung una, initially, I planned to do this, itong buong day trip natin as one video. Pero I realized that it wouldn't be good because it's too lengthy. Pero tignan na lang natin if mapagkasya natin. So ibig sabihin, pumasok siya dun sa expected video length ko for this episode. So if you guys are planning to go on a trip anytime soon papunta dito sa Nami Island at isa yun sa mga itinerary nyo, please make sure na maitapat nyo sa magandang panahon or magandang weather before kayo mag-book or before nyo puntahan. Check nyo muna yung weather. So, ayun, dito na natin tatapusin yung vlog natin for today. I hope it was helpful. Nagkaroon kayo ng konting insights on what you are expecting dito sa day trip natin. Now, if you are also interested in getting the tour package, you can just go to Klook and you can find the tour package ng Nami Island plus yung iba nating trips na pinuntahan for today's video. So, yun na. Tapusin na natin yung video natin for today. After nito, babalik na kami sa hotel and we'll see you on the next episode. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Bye-bye!